Welcome to American English with Sushil.
Classroom. The laughter.
They laughed again.
Laughed? About what?
I said, he don't like apples. Everyone started laughing. Even the teacher smiled. I just wanted to disappear.
Hey, that's okay. You spoke. You made a mistake, but that means you're learning.
But it felt horrible. Every time I open my mouth, people giggle. Maybe I shouldn't speak English at all.
No, Emma. That's exactly why you should. People laugh because they don't understand your courage. Next time, when they laugh, smile and speak even better.
So it's he doesn't like apples, right?
Perfect. You see? You already know it.
Maybe. I just need to keep trying.
That's the spirit. One sentence a day, that's how fluency begins. Park. The first step. All right, English practice time. Look around and describe what you see.
You mean out loud?
Yep, out loud. No fear. Go on.
There are many trees. Kids are playing. Birds
are playing.
Oh, birds are playing. There are colorful flowers and people walking happily.
That's amazing. You sound alive when you speak.
But sometimes my tongue just freezes.
Then relax it. Let your words flow. Remember, fluency isn't speed, it's comfort.
Comfort. I like that. I'll try again tomorrow.
Tomorrow? No. Let's try again now. Coffee shop. The real test. Okay, Miss Confident. You'll order this time.
Me? Oh no!
Yes, you. Remember, speak to connect, not to impress.
Hello? I want 2 cups of coffee, please.
Sure, 2 cups of coffee.
I said cup coffee again.
But you corrected it. That's what matters. Confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about recovering fast.
I like this kind of learning. Real life English.
Exactly. The best classroom is the world around you. Library. Finding the flow.
She was walking through. Wait, through always confuses me.
Say it like this. Through. Let your tongue touch lightly between your teeth.
Through.
Yes, that's perfect.
You know, every word feels like a small win.
That's because you're not memorizing English now, you're living it.
I'm living it. I like that.
And that's how your voice becomes stronger, word by word.
Look at this example here. We use the present perfect tense because the action continues up to now.
Ah, I finally get it. Thank you so much.
Street market, facing the world. All right, final test. Buy those flowers in English. Alone. Alone? You can do it.
Excuse me, how much are these flowers? 50 rupees, ma'am. Okay, I'll take 2 bunches. They are so beautiful. Your English is beautiful too. Ryan, he said my English is beautiful.
See? The world doesn't laugh forever. It listens when you believe in yourself.
Maybe the laugh was never the problem. My fear was.
Riverside bench. The realization.
Ryan, I used to hate my accent. Now I kind of like it. It feels me.
That's the most powerful thing you've said today. Your accent tells your story. Don't hide it.
I guess English isn't about sounding perfect. It's about sounding honest.
Exactly. You sound like Emma, and that's beautiful.
Thank you, Ryan, for believing in me when I didn't.
Always. That's what friends and fluency are for. English event, the transformation. And now, let's welcome Emma.
A few months ago, I couldn't even say one full sentence in English. People laughed, and that laughter hurt. But now I know those laughs were the sound of my beginning. Today, I'm not afraid to speak because every word, right or wrong, is part of my journey.
Emma in the audience smiling proudly.
So, if people laugh at your English, let them. Keep speaking, because one day they'll stop laughing and start listening.
Are you happy?
Ending moment. Emma, you did it! You inspired them all.
I just spoke from my heart, that's all.
And that's where the best English comes from.
Don't fear laughter. Don't fear mistakes. Fear silence, because silence kills your growth. Speak, fail, smile, speak again. One day, your voice will make others believe they can too.